Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can open up Wells Fargo account online. If this sounds helpful, make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser of your choice and there on the URL bar, search for wellsfargo.com. And then you will be directly landed to its official homepage. Now there you will be able to see all the facilities provided by the Wells Fargo. Now if you want to open up your personal account, then tap and head over to the personal section, and then under personal section you will be able to see checkings, savings and C&Ds, credit cards, home loans, personal loans, auto loans, premier and or education and tools sections. Now choose what type of account you want to open. Suppose you want to open up checking accounts, then head over to the checking section, and then again you will be able to see different banking accounts under checking section. Now again choose the banking account you want to open, and once you choose one from them, you will be taken to the next page. Now scroll this page a bit down, and then again you have to go through all the features, facilities and the fees of the banking account, and then choose one from them. Once you choose one from them, tap on open now button, and then you will taken to the next page. Now to open up a bank account, you have to first tell about yourself and then customize your account, and lastly you have to deposit some money in the bank to open up your Wells Fargo bank account. And to apply, you will need social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and then you will need valid ID. Either it can be driving license or your state ID, and then you have to deposit $25 in your accounts. Now let's get started. Now you can only open up individual account through online, and then you have to choose yes if you are a Wells Fargo online banking customer, and if not you have to choose no option. And here it says that by tapping on continue button you will accept all the conditions of Wells Fargo bank. Now tap on continue button, and then you will head it to the next page. Now in this page you have to fill the details about you, like your first name, your middle name and the last name, and then you have to choose social security number or individual tax identification number, and then you have to fill in the SSN or IT number here, and then you have to choose your ID type, either your driving license or a state ID. And once you choose one of them, you have to type in the number of that ID, and then you have to choose where that ID issued from, and then you have to type in the expiration date of that ID, and after that you have to type in your birth date, and then you have to choose one of the citizenship, and after that you have to type in your email address, then choose the phone type and type in your phone number, and after that you have to type in your home address, city, you have to choose the state, and you have to type in your zip code, and then you have to choose your occupation. And after filling all the details, you have to choose if you are informed by IRS that you are subjected to backup withholding. If yes, I'm subject to backup withholdings, and if not, choose this no, I am not subject to backup withholding. And after that you have to tick this square box and then tap on continue button. Once you tap on next button, you will taken to the next page where you have to choose your account preferences, and then all the details of you and your account preferences will be reviewed, and if you get verified you will taken to the next page where you have to read all the terms and conditions of Wells Fargo Bank, and then accept all the terms and conditions of Wells Fargo Bank, and then you have to fund $25 in your bank account. And once you're done with all these steps, your bank account will be successfully created. Now that was the step-by-step process on how you can create Wells Fargo bank account online. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching.